Career advice for young adults. Many people come to me and ask me for career advice as a forensic pathologist. So I'm going to keep it very simple here, and I'm going to tell you what I think the future's going to look like and how to think about the world to come. And this is purely from my point of view. Young adults, to me, from what I've seen from the mortuary, there are 6 layers to society. 6 layers to society. So we must think about this like a 6-layered cake. Layer number 1 is your laborers. These are the people that keep society running smoothly. We saw who these people are during COVID. These were the essential workers that kept everything running smoothly. The people in goods and services, food production, waste removal. You know who these people are. I mean, these are the people that keep society running day to day. Your essential workers. That is layer number 1. Layer number 2 is what's known as the warrior level. These are your police, your fire people, your soldiers. These people create safety and security in society. Now, when things become safe and secure, you get intellectuals popping up. These are people that deal in the knowledge economy. They come up with theories and opinions. You know, these are your theoreticists, your physicists, etc. Layer number 4 are your artists and entertainers. These are the people that take the dust off your soul. They entertain us. Layer number 5 is the biggest layer in society at the moment. They've developed very strongly within the last 60 years, and this is called your acquisitor layer. These are people that are bureaucrats. They're your politician, your bankers, your lawyers, your insurance people, your admin people, your HR staff. These are people that help administer. They're middle people. They help facilitate society. And most of the money in society at the moment is in that layer. And we saw that this layer is your non-essential people during COVID. The final layer is your newest layer, which is your technological layer. This is your AI, your artificial intelligence, and your robot layer. And the future, AI and robots are going to replace a lot of jobs. Now, why do I, as a forensic pathologist, have to talk about this? Because I see a lot of people committing suicide or fatal self-harm that are from certain layers. So, non-essential jobs, I see a lot of fatal self-harm in that industry when that job crashes. My advice to you for the future is the following. Number 1, specialization is for insects. Do not become too super specialized. Keep flexible. Do not think like us old people that you're going to have one job for life. Those days are over. I think the future we're going to have 4 to 5 to 6 jobs for the rest of our lives. So keep flexible and changing. Definitely study something. It will make you a better person. Upskill yourself. Consider layer number 1. These are the things that keep society running. Maintenance, care. We need garbage collectors. We need people for plumbing, for electricals, etc. So for infrastructure, we need layer number 1. Layer number 2, obviously we need security. I am concerned that AI is going to take a lot of our jobs and robots will create a lot of our goods and services with a lot of time on our hands. We're going to be bored. So the artist layer is important. We're going to have to be entertained. So I'm thinking about going into the arts and creativity, content creation fields. So that layer needs to be addressed. So I'm a forensic pathologist. Can forensic pathology be taken by artificial intelligence and robots? The answer is yes. We can have our entire field probably performed by artificial intelligence and robots. Robots can take biopsies, we can film, do 3D impressions, toxicology can be done remotely. So robots and artificial intelligence is what's coming in the future. You want to do something that artificial intelligence and robots cannot do. And this is how you have to think about your future. But my advice to you going forward into this new world is to stay out of the acquisitor layer. That entire layer will be replaced by AI, by artificial intelligence. So think in terms of essential work going forward to the future of humankind. Think in terms of taking the dust of human souls. We will need entertainment, and we'll need infrastructure. And do not think in terms of one specialization. Keep it varied. Work on your relationships and work on your health and have a good life. But the work you choose is so important and it will determine your entire future. Thank you.